is Karen O'Brien. I am here with another video on Boston's real estate market. Welcome to Boston in the Burbs. In this video, I'm drawing a 20-mile radius ring around Boston. And in that area, I did a search directly on the MLS for homes that sold in the last 3 months, at least 2 bedrooms, single-family houses under $500,000. Then I'm going to jump around these areas and show you what these homes look like, as well as what they just sold for in the last 3 months. Some of them will pop up with pictures. You can see the condition, so you know what your money will buy for you where. If you can afford a house between $400,000 and $500,000, stay tuned. This is a great way to start your real estate investing career. Be right back. If you're not adverse to some of the things I'm going to show you, like the hot spots where these affordable homes are, you're willing to live in an area you previously would never consider. Maybe you know nothing about the area, so you want to do a little research and drive around and do online research for these neighborhoods. You are also willing to make some upgrades over time. A lot of these homes are in wonderful condition, but maybe the materials used aren't that great. You want to redo a few things to give it more quality. If you want to get into the real estate market, I'm going to share with you where to look and what you get for your money. Now, on these, you probably don't even need the sound on these videos, this video, but consider watching on a large TV screen. And I'll tell you why. You'll want to stop this video and read the details, because I do a pop-up window of pictures of the particular some of these homes. You'll need to read up close the details like sold price, square footage, and map locations. So you might want to stop and read as we go through this. Let's start west, Framingham. The only place I know of that has nice little ranches for under $500,000. 410, 460, 480, 480. Quite a few. You can stop the video and zoom in, but all these were probably overbid a little bit. Let's zoom into the North Shore here. Now, Upper North Beverly, that's out there. It's usually an expensive area, Beverly, Danvers, but there's still some affordable homes. 485, 500. 2 in Peabody, 450. Lynn, you're going to see a lot of affordability in Lynn. 490, and a lot of these homes are still in very good shape. And maybe you never considered Lynn, but if you're looking to invest for the first time and you're willing to live there for 3 to 5 years, you can most probably consider selling 5 or 6 years and get some equity, so you're not paying for rental. Everything you pay goes into the house, and hopefully you'll reap the benefits when you go to sell, which gives you a bigger down payment when you buy your next property. And this is how you build wealth. North Reading, 499. Look at that nice house, 2,200 square feet. Big area of land in North Reading. 3 bedroom, 2,200 square feet. Now we'll go out there, which is close to Tewksbury, but it's not quite. This is Tewksbury, so it's on the line. Much more for your money. Billerica, same thing. Okay, now we're going to get inside the 128 belt. Woburn Wakefield, These are all under $500,000. Everett, $475. Malden, $430. And these generally are 2-bedroom plus, so it has to have at least 2 bedrooms. And I'm only showing you single family homes because they appreciate the most. If you're going to look at this as an investment and not for a convenience sake, buy a single family home. Revere, now you have a view of the ocean. This is beautiful, a single family home. Look at this, well taken care of. Look at that view. Let's see, we have to go now towards the South Shore. We'll go all the way down to the Quincy area. Close to Marina Bay, $500,000 for a 3-bedroom detached home. $500 again. $490, $499. Weymouth, right next door. You're close to the ocean. Braintree, not too many in Braintree. Braintree's right in Randolph, right near all the commuter areas, 95, 93. Randolph has a lot, Brockton has a lot. Canton has very few, under 500,000, and Sharon has a few. Now, this past spring, 2021, there were 10 bids on every home under 500,000 in Canton, so might have shifted things. Avon, $475, nice house. Brockton, now you're going to see much more affordability in Brockton. You need to drive around Brockton if you're not familiar and get a feel for the community. Let's look at kitchens and baths because that's what really matters. Here you go. Not bad, not old, very spacious. This is actually not a bad situation. You can make upgrades as time goes on. You can upgrade the... Lynn had 17 sales under 500,000. Bathrooms need upgrading. Kitchen needs upgrading. It's still livable. This is the kind of house you can buy and over the next 3 years or so, do your upgrades. We have more Lynn. If you want to buy a house, go to Lynn. Now let's go a little more north. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay, a little beat up, but a lot beat up. Needs paint, needs a new kitchen, needs everything. Okay, pretty tough shape. It's an old house, and they don't build them like they used to. Looks like part of this is commercial. So this is going to require a lot of work, but maybe someone bought it for the property. Bright, clean kitchen, pretty new looking. Yep, it's been renovated, nice sparkling. The house looks petite. So I'm guessing it's a 2-bedroom, but let's keep scrolling through here. The bedrooms are pretty tight. It's a teeny house, but hey, it sure beats paying rent. Beverly, Danvers, Framingham, $400,000. That's hard to believe, but let's see. Let's see what it has going for it. The bathroom's fine. It's updated, but it looks newly renovated. And not a bad house. This is a bargain, I think. Let's see how large it is. Here we go. It's not even 800 square feet, so it's like a tiny condo, but it's still a house and it's on land, and that is not bad. So Framingham, I'm going to road sold for $476. It was only on the market for 6 days, and it's 1,540 square feet. So Millis, I didn't know Millis in Norfolk. It's right out on the 20-mile marker. Oh, Medfield, that's unusual. Let's go closer to Boston. Now, inside 128 in Dedham. Somebody got a bargain for $399. The return on investment comes from the kitchen, and they're not even showing us, so that's definitely a fixer. Right here, let's see. $482, the single-family home in Dedham sold for. In the Riverdale section, which has, it's a great little neighborhood, nice, well-kept homes. Nothing wrong with this home. Very cute. Okay. So it has a cramped kitchen. Very cramped kitchen. Okay. But you can see what your money will buy you if you can give up the kitchen. You can live closer to Boston. Hyde Park. Hyde Park has a lot of single-family homes that are reasonably priced still. $440,000 for this home. Let's see. Needs a little ceiling. Needs a ceiling. Good sized backyard. Deals are still out there, people. You just need to look. I hope this was informative to first-time investors, and see you next week with the next video, Boston and the Burbs. Thanks for watching.